Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. Moharem Ghosh, and I'm back today with a very informative video about paintings that can transform your life. But before we go on to that, let me share with you a brief about the channel. I started the channel The Ancients in February 2021 to share with you the essence of astrology, numerology, and Vastu so that you can live a life filled with good health, prosperity, success, peace of mind, and enjoy harmonious relationships with your near and dear ones. I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel to kindly subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too can benefit from these videos. Coming back to our topic of the day, three paintings that can transform your life, give you good health, prosperity, business and career growth, and love. The first painting I would like to talk to you about is the one which invites love and harmony with your spouse. A painting of Radha Krishna in your bedroom, on the northern wall or on the eastern wall, increases love between the couple. However, if you choose to keep this on your southwest, it will open up the communication between the couple. So you decide where you want to place this painting, on the northern wall or on the eastern wall. The love between the couple increases. If you keep it on the southwest wall, the communication becomes open, frank, and free. You decide what benefit you want and choose accordingly. The second painting which I want to discuss to you about is about 7 running horses, white running horses. Keep this on your east wall. It has miraculous effects. It signifies progress and success. Also, since horses signify speed, all your activities will get done and closed very quickly if you keep the painting or photograph of 7 horses on your eastern wall. If you keep a reddish or orangish background on these 7 running horses, then your self confidence and esteem will increase tremendously. But a word of caution, friends, do not ever by mistake keep this painting of 7 horses in your bedroom or in the washroom. You will face insomnia and other health related problems. Avoid at all cost keeping it in your bedroom or bathroom. Now coming on to the third painting. The third painting which I would like to share with you, which will transform your life and this will improve your health tremendously, is the painting of Lord Dhanvantri. This must be kept on the northern wall of your residence for blessing of good health, improvement of your health if you are facing any health complications. Dhanvantri, Lord Dhanvantri is the Lord of medicines, God of Ayurveda. He is an avatar of Lord Vishnu, and during Samudra Manthan, he rose from the ocean of milk with the nectar of immortality. Now, this photograph of Lord Dhanvantri holding the nectar of immortality in his hands is very, very auspicious and very beneficial for all the members of your home. If you keep this painting on the northern wall of your home, where everybody can see it, rest assured you and your family members will see a tremendous beneficial improvements in your health. And if you are facing any health complications, they will gradually reduce. Friends, now I've shared with you 3 paintings: 7 running horses for career growth, business growth, improvement of self esteem, confidence, and quick closure of task. The painting of Lord Dhanvantri for improvement in your health, and the painting of Radhe Shyam for improving the communication and love and harmony between couples. These three paintings have the ability to transform your life. However, I would like to point out, as with any Vastu changes, do not expect effects within a short period. You will start seeing the effects in 45 days of installation of these paintings. Wait for 45 days and you will yourself experience the beneficial effects of these Vastu paintings. Friends, once again, I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel, The Ancients, kindly do subscribe to the channel. And also, please do share these videos with your friends and family so that they too can benefit. Till we meet again with another informative video on your very own channel, The Ancients, good luck, all the best, stay safe.